back to the channel. This is home, and oh, bear with me 1 minute. Oh, sit. This is our dog Senna. He's a year old. He's a fast boy with a fast name. And you're good as gold, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Come on then. So, we are now settled in. This is the new garage, the new space. Lighting, number one. Electric. We have plugs now, so I can charge impact guns. I can bring the laptop in here, do some editing, charge GoPros, put heating on, more importantly, for the Mazda. She gets cold in the winter. She's an old girl, she needs some heating. In the background we have two very small toolboxes that have caused very big problems trying to get them here. Turns out they're bigger than Mini Cooper boots will allow without putting windows through anyway. But they're finally here. Maz is ready for work. We've got plenty of bits for her. We've got audio we're going to do. There's going to be cutting and welding because Mazda. Yeah, suspension work. We're going to stiffen up the chassis, make it a sort of comfortable track car. But also there's the other side of the channel where I help James film bits in his Land Rover. So we go out fields, green lanes, byways, get some drone footage for him, and you know that may as well come on here as well. I will put a tag for his TikTok down there. Also we go exploring old abandoned buildings. You'll have seen, I think in our most recent video, we went to RAF Boreham, which we had no idea it was called RAF Boreham, and then we arrive, we look around it, we start seeing rolling roads, cardboard boxes that say Ford on there. Only turns out it's the home of Boreham Motor Works, so that was quite cool. And I think more importantly is that you are gonna, over time, see me and James sort of grow into what we like doing. We're learning along the way. Like, we have no idea about filming, we have no idea about editing and production. You're right there, Senna. And then also, I'm not a mechanic, really. I know bits to get me out of bother, but I'm not qualified. You know, I've had a couple of car jobs over the years. So it'd be interesting to just see how things go and how things flow. But yeah, it's just mostly me and James helping each other out and doing what we love, because that's what life's all about. But you're invited, come along. My coffee's getting cold though, so I'm going to sip that, and I will see you in the future. Take care.